Hi, it's Andrew from Tech for Dads, and today I'm going to talk to you about the JOLTEKON. I hope I'm saying that right, but it is a jump starter and air compressor with a couple of extra features. This one is the VP30, and it not only will jump start your car, it will also work as a battery brick. So, it's got USB-A and USB-C ports, so if you need to charge your phone, something like that, it will take care of that as well. It also will air up your tires. And the nice special feature about this, I think, is the really nice screen. The screen is very big, easy to see, and you're able to set it for different things. So like it right now, I think it's set for, it looks like it's set for a sporting equipment. So like it'll have some default PSI settings for certain things, like that's for basketball. And then you can literally move it around like this and switch it to car mode for tires, ATVs, bicycles. And I actually test this later in the video. You'll see me test it on a car tire and a bicycle tire, and it worked great. So if you're in the market for something like this one is quite nice. This is kind of like a premium model of a lot of these you see. This is built really well. The screen is great. It's easy to understand, and it just works. So if you get a chance to check it out, this is the VP30 from JOLTEKON, and stay tuned. I'll have a quick unboxing and a demonstration. Thank you.